Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about a Gucci women's bag. Okay, but before we do that, I want to talk about the box and all the accessories to you. Okay, so now you check. Let's talk about the box. This is the box, and on the box you see how it is. It's a creamy white, and you see some vertical lines on it. Okay, that's how it is. And here you see how the Gucci is well spelled. Like if you touch it, it's a little bit rough. It's not smooth. Okay, so that's the box. That's the box. Now let's open the box. Okay, let's open the box. When you open the box, you will see the receipt. That's the receipt. You see Gucci is well printed here on the envelope of the receipt. Okay, and when you take it out, you see how here the address and the name of the customer is here. And here is the style number. Here is the description of the bag and the other things like the price, the quantity here. Okay, it's only on XQ Shop that you can see this. In XQ Shop that you can have all these kind of things. Okay, and what you have, this is the receipt. That's how you get the receipt. Everything is in English. Okay, so that's the receipt. Okay, now let's talk about the other accessories of this bag. You see it has 4 of these booklets. I don't know if it's a booklet. You see here responsibility. Here is other things, like 4 of them. Okay, that's it. 4 different languages are here. Okay, how to show you how quality it is. Okay, now this is the ribbon or the gift lace. You see that Gucci is well written on that gift lace. You can see that there. Okay, you see that Gucci is well on that Gucci on that lace, well printed there. And you see on the gift lace is not smooth, it's a little bit rough with vertical lines on them. Okay, that's it. And here, this is another card that you have here. That's it. Okay, now you discover that this box is a magnet closure box. Okay, you can open it easily. Let's open the box now. Now this is the bag. Okay, this is the bag. Let's talk about the dust bag first. Okay, so this is the dust bag. You see that here on the tag here, Gucci is well printed there, and there are vertical lines there, like same as on the box. You see, and here is the creamy white color. You can see that there, and the material of this dust bag is silk. Okay, it's not pure white, it's also creamy white, a little bit lighter, like that's how it is. And you see that the stitches on the dust bag are well immaculate and very, very nice. You can say it's well done. Okay, now I'm talking about the wash tag. you see that Gucci is well printed there, and it's made, this dust bag is made in Italy. Okay, it's made in Italy. Other suppliers will not show you all these because here in SQ shop we are professional sellers. Okay, so that's how it is. Now let's talk about the bag itself. You see that the bag is like that to protect, is well protected. It's here to protect. These protections are here for the leather, to protect the leather from being damaged. So if you order this bag, that's how it will come to not to be like damaged, because it has to be protected. Now when opening the bag, you have to push this. Okay, you open it easily, you remove this. Okay, you see how here the handles are in a, it's made up of leather, cowskin leather, and here this is the back of the bag with this hat, and you see that the stitches are really immaculate, very nice, no mistake. Okay, the same thing here, and in front here you see the gold hardware color. The GG here too is for the to put the straps here, to hook the straps. Okay, so now that's the bag, and you see this is the strap. Okay, when you remove these things, in fact we put these things just to keep the shape of the bag. Okay, so you can remove it. Inner part of the bag is like that. The linings are in made up of good materials like leather, and it's really soft. Okay, so now you see this tag, you see Gucci made in Italy. Behind this bag you see the serial number here, the style number here. Okay, and the inside there too there's a little other thing there. I don't know if you can see that, but it will be a little bit difficult. So when you get your bag, that's how, and you see there's a front pocket, front flat pocket here. Okay, that's how it is. So I think that's all about this bag. I don't know if I've forgotten anything. Let's talk about the straps. This is the strap. You see that the strap is in chain mixed with leather, and it's still protected, yeah, from being damaged. Okay, like all these quality things is only in SQ shop that you can get these things. So don't hesitate if you really want to know more about this bag or to purchase the bag. I will leave my Instagram on the description below, so you can go and check my contact, and you let me know if you're really interested in this bag. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.